Hi everybody. Today I'm going to review the New Year LED Photo Studio light. This thing's fantastic. I've got three of them that I use in my photo studio. I use it with video. I've got one on me right now, which is why my face may look a little reddish. I'm not sure. It could be the reflection off the table as well. Not sure. But anyways, kind of looks like I got a sunburn. Anyways, so these things are just fantastic. They come with a blind on them as a general rule. They're up here and stuff, and so you can direct the light whichever way you want. So the blinds move, and you can diffuse and do whatever you want with them. I take mine off. In this case, it's off because I'm actually using a diffuser in my studio and stuff. But when I'm not using the diffuser, I put the blinds back on, so I have more control of where it goes. Great thing about these little things is that you've got both battery packs. So here's one of the batteries. There's two of these batteries that actually go into the back of it. And you've also got a power supply. So you can use these things portably, or you can actually use them when they're plugged in all the time and stuff. I'm going to put the blind out of the way. Put this in the back. The other thing is that these things just don't quit. These batteries, when they're fully charged, they go for quite some time. Actually, the one that I got on me right now, I think I've been using it for probably 4 days, and it's still going. Nice thing about them is that you've got, I'll spin this one around here and show you the back. Okay, so there you go. There's your two battery packs. So it lasts quite a while. You've also got a on-off switch here, and what you've got is you've got your actual brightness here, okay? So how this actually, and this changes the coloration of the actual light. So you can actually get it like dimming and so on and so forth. So you can get the actual photo just perfect. And then of course you've got your input here for the power, okay? And the switch here turns it on depending on whether it's battery pack or whether it's permanent power. So to show you how these actually work a little bit, and the nice thing too is they come with the stands, with these stands, so that you can move them up and down and so on and so forth. I've got mine are actually mounted on microphone stands. That's what I use them with. So I'll turn it on so you can see it, okay? There, you can see it's quite bright. It really turned out bright, but as you'll see, I can dim this down. So I'm dimming it down now, okay? You can see it goes up and down. You can see there all the LEDs that are in it. There's quite a few. And on the other side here, I can change the actual brightness of it. So it's different coloration and stuff. So, which is really cool. It's kind of hard to see it in this light. Let me see if I can turn it around a little bit so maybe you can catch it this way. So if I adjust, you can see that's the actual coloration of the light that's happening there. And up here is, sorry, that's the coloration of the light. I had it backwards. This is the brightness of the light. So this changes, the LEDs change color. So it's a fantastic little light. You really can't argue with the thing. And myself, I've got 3 of them that I actually use, and they are 100% winners. They do everything I want. I can adjust them, I can put them in various spots, high, low, wherever I want, and I can get that perfect picture. This one obviously isn't a good example because I'm not down in my studio. I'm actually sitting at my kitchen table, to be quite honest. So overall, awesome. Totally awesome little devices. I've used them quite a bit. Yeah, I've used them for, like I said, video, photos, lots of photos. They're great, and they work with my green screen just fantastically. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope you enjoyed seeing the functionality of them, and I will talk to you in the next one.